Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to this iPhone unboxing video. I'm so sorry that it is a little bit late. I know this is the day after the release, but we had the phone since yesterday. But I was really busy with my business, and we had a lot of alarms to install. So yeah, other than that, here you guys go. I cheated. One is already on and going. Unfortunately, I had to cheat on one, but I had to do a little bit of testing myself on that refresh rate. But other than that, guys, here's the rest. We got a 13 regular iPhone 13 in the new pink. Then we got the 213 Pro 1 TB, which I'm switching these to my main drivers for now until I can get a hold of Pro Maxes in 1 TB. Then I'll just make these test phones. And then I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. The only thing I could find was 128 GB, guys, because I'm not gonna deny it. I woke up a little bit late, and on the pre-order, I only was able to get this one for in-store pickup. These two, I got them in store, and this one I got in store. And then this one right here is another, what do you call it? Pro Max in 128 GB in the new Sierra Blue. All right, so let's unbox these guys. I'm just gonna make this pretty quick, guys. So let's unbox them. Let's see how they look with the cases. Let's flip through that refresh rate real quick, and yeah, and then I'll add a little bit of a video here with it afterwards. And yeah. Oh, we also got the little wallet too. This is supposed to be that new wallet for the, if it unmagnetizes, it'll keep the last place it was at. So, all right, let's unbox this. Let's get this cracking.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Alright guys, and we have the phones unboxed here. All the different colors, you know. Different style cases, make it unique. You know, we do got the wallet too, which, you know, we'll put on here and we'll see how it looks. But other than that, guys, I mean, that's it when it comes to the unboxing of these phones. You know, we're not gonna get too crazy with it. They're all the A15 Bionic chips. They're all X60 modems. Here, we'll take this one out of the case real quick, show you how the antenna array looks. So let's see here. So the antenna array compared to the, let me grab the Pro Max here, and then we'll do a quick little comparison, at least 12 Pro Max. Let's see here, let me grab this out of the case. So here we go, 12 Pro Max. So antenna arrays, let's see how we can compare them. So the antenna array on the 12 Pro Max versus the 13 is just let's see here, it's about in the same location. Power button is moved up a little bit. Yeah, it's moved up a little bit. Millimeter wave antenna is about the same, about same location. It's just a little I would say it's about the same. Yeah. Okay, so now let's turn it this way. Okay, because everybody said this is the part that's different. Okay, they slide around. Okay, so the SIM tray is higher, but the volume rocker and the silent rocker is about the same. It's just moved up by barely a hair. The SIM tray is really the big move. So let's see, will the case fit? So let's see here. Let's actually find out. So this is the 13 Pro Max. So will the case fit? Yeah, pretty much. Touches the buttons. Yeah. Volume up. Silent rocker. Okay, so it's just a hair up. The buttons are the same, but the volume or the silent rocker is just a little bit up. But other than that, that's really the only difference. And big camera bump, huge. It doesn't fit all the way down because of camera bump. But other than that, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I'll include a video at the end here with a video shot of this phone. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Okay, guys, this was videos being shot right here with the 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max. Let's see. Okay, so good shutter. Okay, focus stays focused. There you guys go. 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max. How is the video and audio? Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.